courtesy of Jax.
代表全球文化，台湾幸福乡村。
Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. So today with Chester, we're currently in NAIA Terminal 3 again, and it's currently 3:10 a.m. We have a flight going to Taiwan. So right, yeah, our flight is actually really early in the morning, 6:30 a.m. and the thing done is around 9, but we wanted to go to the airport really early because we wanted to prep, and yun din naman, we were kind of scared kasi baka mahaba yung pila sa check-in and sa I.O. and baka madaming tao. So yeah, so we're here very early. We're gonna try to go to lounge. We're gonna try to sleep at least before start tomorrow, because tomorrow very madaming ganap kaagad. Hopefully wala masyadong ulan dahil papunta din doon yung ulan. So yun lang naman. I have Eman here sama sa trip ngayon. Let's go, Malobs. Oh. Hi, Malobs. Lagi lumalabas yung dila. And we got Jadel and Ate Bane in the vlog. Friend ni Eman and ate ng friend ni Eman. So we're gonna see them later, and yeah, makagip sila sa video. So yun lang naman. See you later. Yung A lounge is nasa right side, 4th floor. Katabi siya ng Pags. And ayun, ginamit lang namin yung RCBC voucher namin to enter this. And rest spot naman, wala ma-issue. So 2 vouchers. So me and Eman plus 1 kami inside, and very quick lang dun, and balik na kami, and gate namin is nasa baba lang din ito. So fluffy eggs. Right, nasarap ng ano, Hungarian sausage. True. Grabe. The baked ziti is just meh, kasi super soggy na nung pasta. Yung fluffy eggs. Masarap yung fluffy egg. Sausage is good.
Ano ito?
Olive.
Masarap ba ito?
Yung olive pure na ed.
After Robin.
I can have your olive.
Isa lang siya.
No, it's an olive theory.
Okay. Okay.
I have a cracker, a cheese, and 1 piece of olive.
Alam po na. Rob.
A cheesy pimiento, courtesy of Jax. Diba, before, may Unli Lounge plus 1. So, card owner plus companion, yung RCBC sa Pags. Since nag-close na yung access ng Pags sa mga credit card, wala na yung RCBC. So sabi ko, anong purpose nito? Ganyan, wala na siyang purpose sa akin. Tapos na, before kami, lumipad. Nagsabi yung RCBC na voucher na, you can access A-Lounge. So, sakto, we have a flight. So, pumunta kami kanina. Luckily, yun. Access kami. Though may pila, pero mabilis lang. And, it's not that large, pero, food is good. How was the, A-Lounge experience? Fulfilling, because the food are full. And we are filled. Currently, it's 6:02. So technically, 4 hours na tayo dito. 4?
24 hours ako gising.
24 hours nang gising si Jill. Oh my God.
Next hour pa.
Next hour. So, saktong pagkalipad natin, doon ka pala makakatulog.
Ang kanya-kanyang pog.
Kaya nga kanya-kanyang pog nga rin. Okay,
Nakarap
so.
kayo Ganda lang.
Social security.
Okay, salamat. Welcome to Taiwan. Groggy pang mga person. Taiwan. Hintayin natin sila, Hello. This is the name in the club. Booking.
Wi-Fi name, password.
Okay.
Fully charged.
Alright.
But if we are open, you have to line up.
Kuha na namin. Adorable. So adorable.
Ano yung transition niya?
Cutie. Yung isa. Cool. Hi guys. Nasa Taipei Metro kami going to Loves. Dito na tayo. Going to Taipei Main Station. Nasa Express MRT kami. Sasakay namin.
Ayun naman yung nakalagay. 265, 260, 260.
Andun na yung rainbow na
Rainbow Walk.
Ni hao. Tara yun. Diyan na lang.
Hi guys, nasa Ximending na kami. I will chika you our the vocals later pag naka-check-in kami. And akam namin sa Ximen Garden Hotel. Sa kanto lang siya ng Ximending. So pagpasok namin, dito na kagad kami. Tapos yun, have kami ng lunch dahil 1:25 na, hindi ko makikita. So yeah, this is what Ximending looks like today. It's November 12. Supposedly may bagyo ngayon. But G lang. Punta kami ng Laoshandok. Hopefully wala masyadong tao. Pangalawang kanto. Parang siyang Toton board.
Yeah.
We're currently at 7-Eleven, first ever convenience run. Kind of remind me of merge ng Japan and Philippines 7-Eleven. There's ample options, pero it's not a lot of options. Ay, cute naman. Magkano?
Hindi ko alam.
Parang may sasabi
35 and TV. Sorry. Oo nga ba? Feel ko 35 siya.
Pili natin mamaya. Aestheticism of these people. Handmade cake.
Okay, I will buy.
Hello, 4. Okay. Talok.
May 7-Eleven. Okay.
Kala po namin Xiaolong Bao yung
Binigay sa atin.
yung dumpling with beef, beef soup. Our first Taiwan meal in Laoshandong. Lagod ng beef.
Yan, ganyan po.
Ang lakas. Last season na nga, last season na nga. Ang cute ng beer. Tingnan mo kung Corolla Cross yung taxi nila. Oh my god. These people. Sige. Jadel.
Ano ba dito?
Oo, meron.
Kiki.
Hirono. Hindi Hirono kayo.
Hindi kami nagko-collect ng anything. Oo. We're still the traveling gays.
第一区 Thank you 是我在厕所边，谢谢 Bye, sick one 086 Paano ba namin number?
Okay.
ikaw ba?
当初是전에서
Ay,
보세요. 매일 신선하게 수두로 만들어지는 샤론빵. 조용한 비법 반죽으로 완성. The Bounding Store 싱그탕. daily handmade soup dumplings, exclusive secret dough recipe, carefully filtered.
Kasi ka siyang ano? Kasi ka siyang gatas na may bob. Gatas na may boba.
Saan?
Yung ano?
Jufen? Okay.
What do you think about the milk tea?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Very galante.
Kasi it's milk tea. And I'm biased.
Yeah, of course. What do you think?
Masarap. 8 of... Ba't ang ganda ko dyan? Over 10 na lang. Compare mo dito? Ayoko nga. Nagdala lang ako kay Chester ng video.
Baka sa ano? Sa settings.
Hindi.
May pa-beautify kasi ito.
Talaga?
Hindi.
Video.
Naka-video.
Sorry lang. Ano to eh? Test. Nano versus ano. Osmo Pocket 3. Hindi mo.
Mas puti nga tayo.
Creator.
Saka focus din.
Let's go.
Malobs. I have something to say. I'm being overstimulated just shimming. Ang dami nangyayari.
Hindi pa tayo nagpapahinga kasi.
Well, technically, I am in my... Ano napansin pala ako dito? Yung mga taxi nila dito, Corolla Cross, RAV4. Ano to? Ba't ang niyaman naman nila? Ano? ABC Mart.
ABC.
Okay, let's check.
Next is DEF.
DEF Mart. Amoy. Eme. Doon lang pala sa labas. Magkapasabay ba guys? Magkapasabay. Bili na kayo sa akin guys. Oh. Bawiin ko lang yung pamasahe ko sa Taiwan.
Okay.
Ano?
Okay na yun. Ang boso lang.
Ay, isang buka rin.
Magkano daw?
50. Meron din akong change coin.
To put 100. 100 NTD nga.
Ang Dotonbori.
Oo, it's giving Dotonbori, low-key Dotonbori vibes. Pero dahil kasi ano tayo nun, pag sa Dotonbori, ngayon,
Dr. Martins.
Bakit ano, malobs. It's giving Sogo.
Kaya nga. Kala ko pa na, ayoko muna.
Ay, kailangan ko pa lang lagay ito.
It's giving so warm.
Ulit lang. Itong red na lamesa pa, so wala na. It's giving Sogo na talaga. Ito lang siya.
O kanina pala. After namin bumili ng Shin Futang, check-in muna kami sa Shimin Garden. And may ano sila, self-check-in machine na doon na namin kinuha yung card namin and everything. And doon nga nagbayad sila, sila Jedel ng room nila. And card payment. So, wala silang kinausap. Diretso na kami sa room namin. And yung room tour, tapos after noon, tulog kami. Like, natulog kami. Nag-alarm ako ng 4, pinatay ko siya. Nagising ako ng 5:30. So, that's 2 hours of sleep. 3:30 to 5:30. Then, kilos kami, alis kami na 6. Enough na siguro yun to fuel us. And then, yes. We went out. Then, we went back to the accommodation ng 11:30ish.
Ayaw mo na. Dapat konti. Yeah, ka?
Hi guys, we're gonna go inside the Red Creek. Yeah, not sure what to expect, but yeah, join us. Realize ko nga din. Apparently, this is the Red House reception manager.
Okay lang yun.
Flattened na. I just realized wala akong kapatid.
Ano kapatid?
Theater or theater? Theater. Wow.
Just take one set, and this is small and large. We order first, small is 1 piece, large is 2 piece.
1 piece?
Ano lang ako?
Ako din 1 piece na din.
Kasi mag-night market.
Oo, kakain pa pala. Oo nga, no?
Hindi siya yung... Hindi yung medyo mababa nga. Hindi. Same lang din. Same story.
Mga influencers.
Yeah.
Yum.
Ito malam sa kanila. Ito yung soy sauce.
Ito siya?
Tama yung ginawa.
Sarap ng wasabi. Hello guys, nasa Gyukatsu kami. Malapit sa Taipei 101. Oh, what can you say about our Gyukatsu experience?
First of all, the marbling in the meat itself. Marvelous.
Marvelous. And
the way it's crusted, like the crust is just breaded perfectly. And the thin line that separates the marbled meat from the crust. Splendid. And when you grill it, that's where the magic begins.
oh, you have the words?
Yes, my loves.
A perfect explanation. We are gonna pay, it's 340 NTT, so around 600 pesos.
Is it your function?
Ayun pa.
I'm sorry. May touch ka na ba eh? Lingon.
Napademure.
Nasa kabila, sa likod tayo.
Ayaw nga. We're at 13th floor. Saan kami kumain ng Gyukatsu. And yeah, okay. Maganda naman yung view dito kasi hindi naman makita yung Taipei 101. Apparently nasa kabilang side siya. Wicked.
I have been changed.
Ay, ba yan? For good. Biglang buwan, biglang ano yung color. Shucks, ang ganda ng Taipei 101. Fog.
Kita. Oo nga no.
Hello guys. So, we're outside the mall kung saan kami kumain ng gyokatsu. And look who showed up. Kanina hindi naman siya makita. Ay, yeah, malobs. Hindi mo siya makita kanina kasi mahamog, kasi umuulan.
Okay.
So, yeah, kita na siya ngayon. And you know, it's feel beautiful. Sayang lang di kami nakakit today kasi super hapit sa oras. Probably tomorrow, baka makapunta kami. So, ayan, bask in the grace of Taipei 101 muna sa view na to. If malobs find the seat, malob sits. That's the logic.
Shinistone. Like. Oh.
Kaya freshman mo dyan, di ba? Freshman ako.
It's so far. Very video ng tita mo.
Oo. Parang ganito yung ano.
Mukhang happy.
Happy New Year.
Hindi ba kasi nalagay sabay dito?
Ang hirap niya i-angle.
Kaya nga. Search ka tayo ng TikTok.
Diyan.
Ay, oo. Isa pa nga.
Tada!
Anong platform tayo?
Shimending at night. This is what it looks like. So many people. Ang daming tao.
Sige, ito po. Magka-try kayo?
Dito, okay, natry nyo na to dito?
Hindi.
Hindi nyo pa siya natry at all? Gusto mo?
Oo.
Anong gusto mo?
Chocolate ice cream.
Ang ingat.
What's your last?
Cream. Parang siyang custard. Ano ko dyan? Okay, first one. Ano siya ng lasa? I love the crust. I love crusty waffles. Nasa milk siya kami. And, ay, ang ganda ng kulay mo dito. Kasi green yung nasa taas. Popping yung red.
Popping boba.
Popping boba. Additional black milk tea with honey boba.
Okay.
Large, medium. Pinipicturean mo yung pinipicturean niya. Mas binibidyohan ko yung pinipicturean ng pinipicturean.
Napapicturean mo kunwari.
Tapos binibidyo ko kayo.
Harap ka sa akin.
Wait.
Ay, bro lang.
Lime boba.
Okay lang. Wala yung ano eh. Wala yung ulo.
siya masyado matamis.
Oo. Regular na to ah. Ang laki.
We buy one. We buy one.
Okay. Kayo.
Gusto ko fried chicken.
Aw, aw. Hawak mo natin ito. Okay, go, go. Lead the way.
Tabi-tabi kasi.
Original, yes.
Magkano yung original?
120.
Ah! Wala pong palayo. Nakuha. Nakuha. Yung kukunin mo, hindi. Hahagis ko.
Tapon!
Ay, nakasabit na siya.
At dahil tinatapon! Saan ako?
7-Eleven na. Hello, Kitty. Kapoy. Hey guys, so nakabalik na kami sa Acom and super lamig, and we did a Shimanding night market run. So we're gonna be presenting what we have. So first we had a chicken wings, stuffed somethings, looks good, and Soma reference. And then we got the famous tiramisu that is cheaper here than in the Philippines. Then we had the 7-Eleven run. Nakain na namin ibang mga binili namin doon. Here's what chill moves. It's just melon pan with milk and drink grapefruit drink tea and meron and an Ovaltine because Malobs is Ovaltine person. Okay.
I am not running. I'm gonna Mars here, I think.
Magkano sa loob?
Kanin yung stuff niya. Hindi ka.
All we have to do is get this guy online.
This is a meal. Kanin.
No one can come in and just tap him. The issue becomes
Kaya pala mataba.
you need to have everything in their hand. I don't think they have everything in their hand, right? Well, I'm just gonna go into this guy right now.
Asang ano? Tawag. Open mo to.
We got him, guys.
May arrow dito.
Oh, we got him. I guess it really depends on what they have. All right, I'll do this.
Okay. You can be
Yeah,
melon
another
pan.
Oricorio would be fail. I'll go here. No, same here. Like when the Solgaleo EX was kind of like the number one deck for that set season. When if you draw or don't draw, it's just like you have cards in your deck that stop your opponent from playing the game. You know. I don't want to put this down.
Gonna open the small space.
Ooh. And then I can stop you from evolving. All while being able to get my Oricorio online next turn.
Delicious. Delicious in dungeon.
Ah, yes,
The problem
Malobs.
is they could just siren again.
Sarap pala kasi sa kinasabil.
I guess that happens, right?
Oh.
Oh. TTs, what TTs? They only get 1 point though.
Hindi siya masyado matamis. Para sa mga tita dyan. At titos. Hindi siya masyado matamis. Shall finish this and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching.
All right. I mean, we could give them everything.